Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to dimension in the previous drawings. Okay, this is the dimension. Okay, the dimensioning onto the paper. Choose the layout, new layout here, and then erase your view layouts, enter, and then right-click here the page setup manager. This is the layout. Okay, modify. I choose the A4 size. As you wish, you can select and you can select the papers that you want. Okay. Close to this is the dotted line is printing areas. We box. Okay. Here click corner inside this the printing area. Just your board will be inside the printing area. Click. Okay. And then this is your model here. You can adjust with the paper here, model or paper. You can switch the model. You will adjust the model, and then click the paper. Switch. You can adjust the paper view. Okay. I will show you how to dimension. Erase my history. History dimensioning. Here. Okay. To take the dimensioning, choose the annotation here. And annotation here, you will just a line. This is the linear. This you will choose a line. Here. 20. Just click. Here line. Here 60. Okay. Later we will adjust the angle. Here. Click here and change the view of height here. Then oblique here 120. Okay. Then there's 20 here. 20 here, and then click here to here, maybe 40, and just click, and then later we will adjust just like that. It's 20 clicks. 20 here 40 oblique here height 20 here 20 40 here 40. So we will adjust the angle. So again, oblique to that DIME edit, enter, select obliques here, select, enter 30. Now you will see 30 is not correct. No. So Control Z, DIME edit, oblique, select object, minus 30 will be okay. Okay, this is minus 30. Okay, and then 60 will be DIME Then edit oblique here, enter 30. 60. 30 is now okay. DIME, then edit, enter obliques. This enter later is plus 30, so we will use minus 60. Okay, sorry, enter DIME, then edit oblique here, enter 90. Very okay. You adjust this DIME, then edit oblique here, enter 30. 100 is okay. This is 100. DIME, then edit oblique here, enter 30. Okay, 30 is okay. To adjust the height, use SDR, stretch, click, enter, then select the arrow, tipped arrow to here. Okay, just 120 maybe here. DIME, then edit oblique here, enter 30, enter 30 not okay. Repeat, right click, then edit oblique here, enter minus 30. Okay, minus 30 is okay. Then stretch SDR, stretch here, change the view 20 to here. Then DIME, then edit oblique here, enter 30. Then right click, repeat, then edit oblique here, enter and get 30. Okay, this is 20 here, just like that. DIME, then edit oblique here, enter 30. Okay, well, DIME, then edit, enter oblique here 30. 30 is now okay. So you will change the direction. DIME, then edit oblique, enter wavy 90. Damn the side. Okay. 20 DIME oblique here 30. 30 is okay. Change the direction. DIME, then edit oblique here, enter 90. DIME, then edit oblique here, select object wavy minus 30. DIME, then edit oblique here, enter 30. Okay. DIME, then edit oblique here 30. 30 not now working. DIME, then edit oblique here minus 30. Okay, very easy. Okay, now click the layer one. You will choose your dimension here. Okay. Then use the radius. Choose the here leader. Okay. Split here. Click 20 typed. Just click 20. And then use the leader here, here, 20. Click. This is the arrow. What is arrow? Edit. Here, leader, R20. Okay, here, layout. Sure, here. Complete the dimension. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next video.